Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how insanely underrated sound is for bounty hunting in Blox. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright. You know what? Alright, one down. Time for the other two. Let's hope he doesn't have, he probably has sword stats, doesn't he? What? Oh, he's a bag. Alright, V4. I don't know why I threw that in that direction, but I just did. Come on, yes! Another one? See, sound is insanely great for PvP. What in the world? Oh. Alright. It's been a while since I've seen somebody in birdseed smoke. I don't know about smoke. The attacks are meh. See, I don't understand how you can have God Human and smoke at the same time. Like, if you did all the work for God Human, I feel like you should have like a fruit. Like, look, if you're like good at comboing with smoke, then that's a whole new story. Right? That's a whole new story if he's good at comboing with smoke. But if he was, then I would have been dead probably. Because like, yeah. Alright. Alright. That was really quick. He's bad. Alright, what's the fun? Oh, he is so low. Alright, another 2 out of 3. Where's everybody run? Why? You're a Marine. Like, you shouldn't even care at this rate. No, like, I don't even know how he just, like, did that with himself. Like, he went back after I was supposed to push him forward. It could probably be the server that I'm in now, so... Is he a rip? He's a rip spammer. That's fun. This is fun. But he's dying, though. He has no combo. So, like, I don't see the use of rip spamming if you don't have any combos to rip spam with. I should have been able to land that. I should have been able to land that. I really should have. Are you gonna, like, get out? What? Alright, I got him. And there's a ton of people over here. Alright, this Buddha, I'm gonna kill first. Alright, I don't even know how I killed that person. I was just targeting the Buddhas. Alright, this should speed up the process a lot. One of the Buddhas is done. You have that be. Yeah, he does. Alright. Because I remember me hitting him a little from the other guy. Let's see if I can win the raid as well. How fitting. How fitting. I got a sound through. Alright, I see 2 people fighting out here. I hope it's not like I hope they're not like friends or anything. Or else they'll probably ally up. Alright, I just snatched the kill off of that guy. Alright, if I get caught by that, I know it's over for me. So, I hope I really don't. I really don't. No, I already know what's gonna happen. He's gonna pop up behind me and use that or something. You know, forget him. We have these guys, right? These guys are some free bounty. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, my True Triple Katana has, the Frozen enchant on it. So, it's pretty good. No, I don't have any sword stats, so it's not, like, the greatest it can be. But, it's still pretty good, because it prevents running a tiny bit. For, like, short combos. No, it's that guy? Alright, whatever. Who are you? And why am I not hitting you? And you're like moving in slow motion. What? Alright, no. I hope he yeah, he dropped down. And he juked me out? Alright. Something's going on. Because I clearly, like, alright. I know I'm technically saving the guy, but it's alright. I killed somebody, killed another person. Alright. It says in combat, so probably. He's spinning off the whole island. Yeah, alright, no, I wasn't 3 out of 3 with him. Alright. Another guy? Really? Even more bounty. Let's go. I even have people on top of it. No. Ooh, no. Oh, no. No. Don't use that V ability and start drowning you, dude. That's not cool. Oh no! I got it! I got it! Alright, that was way too close. That gave me a heart attack. That guy, he just can't take a break. Well, not break, hint. Wrong. I messed up saying, alright. I feel like at 3 out of 3 is like half the server already. What's that guy doing that? He saw me. I was gonna jump him. Alright. I think he wants me to like it. What? How did you, TP this something? You know, I can respect this guy's confidence in trying to kill me. Like, he even shot the soul guitar thingy on me, tried his very best. Alright, that portal guy is low and he's running from something. But I don't know exactly what that is. But I landed a hit, so he can't run back to stage 1, so... We're good on that part. Ooh, where am I? Alright. How are you not dead yet? Alright, he's dead. I hate that angle because of like the building. Because you can't really pull the combo I was trying to do. Alright. Alright, some more people here. Took somebody's bounty. Oh! Not good. Alright, don't worry, I have this. I have this, guys. I'm great. I got this. Someone's dead. And we got him. We're alright. And I don't have any attacks. That was like the one time I actually had a chance of getting it really low. Come on, just die. Where is he? We're in a rift? And he's running! Accept defeat already! Who are you? Hey, Cyborg, of course. I'm killing people. Did I get that guy? Oh, come on! That's annoying. I got him! Yes, I got him! There's a fight going on over here. Wait, that kid's gonna probably have PvP on. He's dead. What about the other guy? Oh, he ran. Alright, forget him. Alright, so we're gonna end it here for today's video. If you liked my video, make sure to like and subscribe, and share this content to any of your friends. Have a great day.
Like a baby, you're like a baby.